About discussing about 2007 solve paper of excellence and moral schools। आज हम जो है ना आपको 2007 के सॉल्व पेपर स्कूल ऑफ एक्सीलेंस एंड मॉडल स्कूल के बारे में बताने वाले हैं। इससे पहले अन्य वीडियो में भी मैं 2021 से लेकर 2008 तक के जो है ना सॉल्व पेपर बता चुका हूँ। आइए देखते हैं क्वेश्चंस किस प्रकार से पूछे जाते हैं। ये आपके आने वाली 2022 की जो परीक्षा है उसके लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्न है। नाउ स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट, minerals based industries are D options. Iron, steels and industry is the right answer, D option. Second, supporting business of farmers is A options. Milk protections is the right answer and important questions right now. Third, how many railway zones are there in India's B option. Now is answer is right 17, because some years latest uh, railway zones of 17 in India's 17th numbers railways Kolkata railway zones. 4. Distance between two rails of those boats gas A option 1676 mm. Fifth, associated with metros rails C options Kolkata is the right answer and important questions right now. 6. Main gas pipeline transports is D options Hazira Jagdishpur gas pipeline is the right answer. Next. 7. Port to reduce pressures of Bombay port C options Navya Sevnas is the right answer. 8. Communications faculties in India for talking to peoples living abroad foreign countries B options ISD is the right answer. Next. 9. Those consumers who do not have computers or internets, for then this communication system has been developed C options E post is the right answer. 10. To burning goods from other countries is called A options import is the right answer and most important questions right now. Next. 11. In which cities of MP's Raja Mansingh Thomas Music Universities is situated C options Indore is the right answer and most important questions right now. 12. What is Dropad? A options classical music is the right answer. 13. Which state is now in the heart of India's C options MP is the right answer and most important questions right now. 14. By whom was Khajuraho's temples are walled? B options Chandel is the right answer and most important questions right now. This question is many times repeats of the papers. So right now. 15. Which state is situated towards the west of the MP? A options Gujarat is the right answer. 16. कौन सा वाक्य शुद्ध है? बी ऑप्शन उस समय चरखा चलाना भी एक अनुशासन था। बी ऑप्शन इज द राइट आंसर। 17. कौन सा वाक्य शुद्ध है? बी ऑप्शन अपराधियों की धरपकड़ हो रही है, ये सही आंसर है। 18. कौन सा वाक्य अशुद्ध है? ए ऑप्शन उसे अपने सामानों की रक्षा स्वयं से करना जरूरी है, ये सही आंसर है इसका। 19. मोहन फल खाता है वाक्य में खाता किस प्रकार की क्रिया है? बी ऑप्शन सक्रमक, ये इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन भी है, नोट कीजिएगा इसको। 20. चीन शब्द से विशेषण बनेगा। ए ऑप्शन चीन इज द राइट आंसर एंड इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन राइट नाउ। नेक्स्ट। 21 विद्वान व्यक्ति पूज्य होते हैं में प्रयुक्त विशेषण है बी ऑप्शंस गुणवाचक इज द राइट आंसर एंड इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस 22 देशांतर में कौन सा समास होता है ए ऑप्शन कर्मधारय समास इज द राइट आंसर 23 किस शब्द में द्विगु समास है डी ऑप्शन हिमालय इज द राइट आंसर एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस 24 परमेश्वर में कौन सा समास है बी ऑप्शन कर्मधारय समास इज द राइट आंसर 25 निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा संयुक्त व्यंजन नहीं है बी ऑप्शन अणा इज द राइट आंसर वहाँ 26 निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा आघोष महाप्राण व्यंजन है ए ऑप्शन था इज द राइट आंसर 27 कुशलता किस प्रकार की संज्ञा है ए ऑप्शन भाववाचक संज्ञा इज द राइट आंसर 28 कौन सा शब्द सर्वनाम है सी ऑप्शन तुम्हारा इज द राइट आंसर 29 कंटीला में कौन सा प्रत्यय है बी ऑप्शन ईला इज द राइट आंसर नेक्स्ट 30 पाठनीय में कौन सा प्रत्यय है ए ऑप्शन अनीय इज द राइट आंसर एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस राइट नाउ 31 विच इज द करेक्टली स्प्लिट वर्ड बी ऑप्शन omissions is the right answer directions question number 32 and 36 fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions 32 I am confident Bennings B options of is the right answer 33 he hundreds miss doing this A options from is the right answer 34 she is bent talking revenge C options upon is the right answer 35 the frog is the bell B options in is the right answer next 36 fill in the correct conjunctions he is no others my brothers D options then is the right answer 37 which is an adverb in the following sentences she was shifting close besides him B options close is the right answer directions of questions numbers 23 and 24 38 the news is too good to be true D options the news is so good that it cannot be true D option is the right answer next 39 Delhi is cooler than Patna A options Patna is not so cool as Delhi is the right answer of A 40 many a man's son su C options A is the has is the right answer 41 either he or I mistaken B options M is the right answer and most important questions right now 42 I shall give you the book if A options you come is the right answer 43 he has his examination C options got through is the right answer and most important questions right now 44 his uncle him D options look after is the right answer 45 who spoils a man's life C options man himself is the right answer and most important questions right now next 46 which of the following devices is suitable for the removals of gaseous pollutants D options bats scrubbers is the right answer and most important question 47 which of the following air pollution control device is suitable for thus removing the finished dust from the ears B options electrostatics precipiters is the right answer next 48 air pollution from automobiles can be controlled by fittings C options Clatic converted is the right answer. 49. Taj Mahal at Agra may be damaged by A option sulfur dioxide is the right answer. And this question is many times repeated, so important questions right now. Next, 50. Gas leaked in Bhopal's Tirshadis. A options methyl isocyanate is the right answer. And this question is most important and many times is repeated of solve papers. So right now, 51. Halley's comets appears in the skies after every 76 years. This question is many times repeated, so important questions right now. 52. Small bodies of rocks and metals which is removable around the sun's mainly in between the orbits of the Mars and Jupiter's. D options. Asteroids is the right answer and most important questions right now. 53. The densities of the mantles of the earth bands measured from above downwards. A options increases is the right answer. Next, 54. Geosatellites removals around Earth in orbits from C options west to east directions is the right answer in most important questions right now. 55. Satellite revolve around Earth in polar orbits. C options is the right answer. Above the north and south pole is the right answer. Next, 56. The histories of space explorations begins in A options 4 October 1957 is the right answer and most important questions right now. 57. The image of an object placed between the poles and focus of a concave mirrors will be A options enlarged and erect is the right answer. 59. When an object is placed at the centers of curvature of a concave mirror, then the image of formates D options at the center of the curvature is the right answer. 59. When an object is placed at the focus of concave mirrors, the image formates B options at infinities is the right answer. 60. The complementary colors of peacock's blues is B options red is the right answer. Next, 61. What happens when a prism is kept inverted in front of another prism giving spectrums A options white light will be obedient is the right answer and most important questions right now. 62. In a compound microscope, the focal length of eye's lens is slightly shorter than the focal length of the object lens. A. Greater is the right answer and most important questions right now. 63. This is an example of Strong's electrolyte. D option sodium chloride is the right answer. Next. 64. Bases are those substances which D options neutralize acids is the right answer and most important questions right now. 65. On increasing temperatures, the rate of reactions A options increase is the right answer and most important questions right now. 66. By which heat treatments does steels becomes hard? A options hard rings is the right answer and important questions right now. 76. Bleaching powders is used in C options purifying water is the right answer and important questions right now. 68. The common names of calcium oxide is A options limestone is the right answer and most important questions. This question is many times repeated, so right now. 69. The copper's rod is voltaic cells is A options negatively charged is the right answer and important questions right now. 70. The value of electrochemicals equivalents is dot dot dot. The ratios of atomic mass and valency C options equal is the right answer and most important questions right now. 71. The resistance of a uniform conducting wires dot dot when its length is increased. C options increase is the right answer and most important questions right now. 72. Introduced electric current will setups in a coil when the coil is attached to a options magnets in relative motions to the coils is the right answer and most important questions right now. Next, 73. If a coil is placed near the current carrying coils, then B options electric current is in institutes is the right answer. 74. The colors used for wires carrying currents, A options red color is the right answer. Next, 75. The chemicals names of Vroax is A option sulfur. Sulfur is the right answer and most important question. 76. Non-metals from the following is D options carbon is the right answer. 77. Numbers of metals now at present is C options 22 is the right answer and most important questions right now. 78. In which part of the plants does photosynthesis takes place? C options leaves is the right answer and most important questions. 79. Animals which eats insects as their food are called as A options insectivorous is the right answer and most important questions right now. Next, 80. Neutrons is of A options two types is the right answer and most important questions right now. Next, 81. The final price of laptops is rupees 18,810 if the rates of increments at 10% minus 5% and minus 10% then the initial price of the laptop B options is the right answer. Next, 82. If 20% loss occurs on sellings of an articles at rupees 480, then in orders to get 20% profit, the selling price will be C options rupees 750 is the right answer. Next, 83. On sellings 30 articles, a profit is equals to sellings price of 5 articles, then profit present is C option is the right answer 20%. Next, 84. Ramus purchased two fans at the cost of rupees 400 each and sold one of them at 20% profit and others 30% loss. Profits or loss present is A options 5% is the right answer. Next, 85. A dealers mark the price of an article by 40% more than CPs. He allows 10% commissions. His profits percent is option A is the right answer 26%. Next, 86. The base of an isosceles triangle is 12 centimeters. A lateral sides axis the attitudes by 2 centimeters. Areas of the triangles is D options 48 centimeter square is the right answer. Next, 87. If the parallel sides of a trapezium are 10 centimeter and 12 centimeters long and the distance between them is 8 centimeters, then the areas of the trapezium is D options 88 centimeter is the right answer. Next, 88. If the parameters of two concentric circles areas 88 centimeters and 132 centimeters, then the areas of the ring between them is B option 154 centimeter is the right answer. Next, 89. If the areas of squares is increased by 44%, then the increase in its each sides is C options 20% is the right answer. Next, 90. If diameters of a cylinder is equal to its height, then its volumes is C options 1 by 8 pi I squares h is the right answer. 91. If the length is increased by 10%, width is decreased by 20%, and height is increased by 25% of a cubed, then the present decrease in its volumes is A option is the right answer. 10% increase is the right answer. Next, 92. After smelting a spheres of diameter 6 centimeters, a wires of radius 1 millimeters is made up. Thence the length of the wires is D options 36 meters is the right answer. Next, 93. If the radius of a cylinder is doubled and the height is halved, then the ratio between the new volumes and the previous volumes is B options 2:1 is the right answer and most important questions right now. Next, 94. Value of 1993 into 1993 is B option 39,72,049 is the right answer. Next, 95. 4 7 7 the power 105 digits at a unit place is B option 7 is the right answer. Next, 96. Value of 440 into bracket 16 plus 12 bracket D option is the right answer. 12,320 is the right answer. Next, 97. Value of 502 into 503 into 504 is A option 12 1 crore 70 27 lakh 26,000 and 24 is the right answer. A option is the right answer. Next, 98. A ladies is a owners of 4 by 5 part of a property. She is equally distributes it into her 3 children's part of each is D options 4 by 15 is the right answer. Next, 99. When a number is divided by 342, the remainder is 47. The numbers of divided by 18, then the remainder A options 11 is the right answer. Next, 100. Value of 8 plus 8 plus 8 divide 8 upon 9 6 plus 6 plus 6 divide 6. C option is the right answer. 3 by 13 is the right answer. Now completed its papers of Model and Excellence Schools Entrance Exam 2007. आप अन्य वीडियो भी जो है ना डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जो लिंक दी गई हैं वहाँ पर जाकर देख सकते हैं और या फिर प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर भी देख सकते हैं। वहाँ पर हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश मीडियम का सेपरेट वहाँ पर वीडियो हो रखी हैं। और चैनल यदि वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें और दोस्तों के साथ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। जय हिंद साथियों, फिर मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में।